morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Look who I have with me. Say hello to the face. And look at Miss Badass around here. You guys see her? Come here, Badass. Sit properly. Come here, Badass. Come here, Badass. Come here. Look up. Look, come say ABC. Look. Look.
She's here.
Look up. Tyler, sit properly, please. Sarah, Tyler, sit properly. Sarah, look there. Look. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Head, shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and... Look. Say hi. Say cuckoo. Say tata. Call tata. Say morning. She's ready to run away. Who is this? Who is this? Take this off your mouth.
Who is this? Sausage? Who is this?
Alright, go. You guys, how are y'all doing? It's the first day of vacation for Thailand. I are here having one of the deepest conversations. Some things that Tyler asks me sometime, it just blows my mind away. I wish the camera was on, just automatically, without me turning it on for you guys to hear the conversation we were having. What were we talking about?
First we were talking about the Jamaican money. Then we were talking about if we go to hell or if we go to heaven when we die.
And where would you like to go when you die?
Heaven.
Why would you want to go to heaven?
To see God.
To see God. Okay.
So that means that when we're dead, we're not really dead.
I don't. No, honestly, I'm not sure how to explain that. When you're dead on earth, yes, you're dead. But what happens after we die, we're not sure. Our body, yes, is physically dead. But our soul that is inside of our heart, where does our soul go? What happened after we die is what we're not really sure about. So you see your Bible?
Yes.
You have to read that a lot to understand what happened after we die.
Okay.
So it's something that we have to educate ourselves about where we go when we die or what happened after we die. They call it the afterlife.
Afterlife?
Afterlife, because life is when you're alive.
Yes.
And afterlife is when we die. So our body, yes, is physically dead. But our soul, where does it go when we die? We don't know. That is why when we are alive, we have to do good and do all the right things. So in order for us to know what happens after we die, we just have to do good. That's all God asks us to do, is to do good. As long as we do good, then we don't have to worry about what happens after we die.
Okay.
You're so cute. You guys, this boy is 5'6", going on 60. What?
Nothing.
Eat. Finish eating your lunch.
No.
What else you want to ask me?
I just want to ask you that all the people that is in my book die.
All who?
All the people that is in my book die.
In which book?
In my green book of school.
They die?
Yes.
That's
all of them.
okay. That's okay to die. Never be afraid to die. Okay? I don't want you to ever be afraid to die. As long as you do the right things while you're alive,
Yes.
you'd never be afraid to die. Okay?
Okay. Mama,
Yes.
how many... Wait. Mama.
Thank you.
It's white thing.
It's come up. It come up?
You should come up.
Okay. What were you saying?
I was saying that all the people that in my book died.
Yeah, and I said it's okay if they die.
Actually. But the only one that I know how many it wasn't Nikki do Soundfile.
That's okay.
And also it's my favorite one.
She's your favorite artist?
Yes.
Okay.
And you know what?
What?
And one day can we go see her museum?
Where is her museum?
At some weird name Mamak.
Okay, we'll look at it and look where it is on the map, okay?
Okay. Google
so,
map.
So Tyler has been, his last thing that he learned about at school before vacation was some artists, their history and how they died and where they died and what they did while they were alive. So he loves to draw, so he's obsessed with this new thing that he learned about. You guys know that when Tyler learns about something, he doesn't forget about it. So he loves one named Nikki Soundfall. It's a girl that died when she was 30 something years old.
No, 36.
36.
Yes.
His voice is too cute. Eat up. Anyway, you guys, we're here just conversating with Tyler. I have been up. I didn't work out today. I have been up and just kind of getting some stuff ticked off my list in the house that I've been putting off for a while now. So I took the morning to knock out some of those, which I'm happy about. You guys know that Sarah's birthday.
Mama.
Yes.
You know what?
What?
Nothing. I didn't call you.
You're too funny.
So like I should be happy and you said no sadness if it's the same thing as you
You talk now, please. I love you.
I love you too.
Eat. Go finish eating.
Don't want anymore.
You want a yogurt?
Yes.
Go have it. Can you reach it? Can you try?
We'll try.
Anyway, you guys,
Always
by
try.
the time always try first, and if you can't, then Mama will help you. By the time you guys seen this, the following day would have been Sarah's birthday, so by this time I'll be busy. I don't know what we have planned today, but whatever happens, you'll see throughout the rest of today's vlog. Baby's off to the office today, so if you're new to the fam bam, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Not just if you're new, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. All I wanna watch. Thumbs up. Huh?
There's Skippy in the fridge.
There's Skippy.
Yeah.
What is Skippy?
Skippy is just like a little bottle of.
A little what?
It's just like a little bottle of peanut butter.
Okay, Skip. I think it's the peanut butter brand. Anyway, you guys, it's very sunny here. Okay, Ty. It's very sunny here, and I'm just gonna carry on with my day and get some stuff done. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today.
If I know how one is so taste my yogurt. So good.
I know. Please, Ty Ty. Look, see there? See Ty Ty giving you some. Dancing. Yummy.
I mean my tongue.
Eating sugar, telling lies. Open your mouth. I smell caca on your bottom. When Sarah doing something she's not supposed to do, and she knows somebody coming, hey, this vacation gonna be fun with the two of them. Watch her. Where is she? Where's she at? Hey, you. Look at her. Y'all see her? Mama. You're sitting? Sit. Mama? Yes, sit, but don't go up there and trouble anything.
Mama?
Yes.
Do you know
look at her little face.
This card?
How many what?
Attack this card.
Attack?
Yes.
No, I don't know.
It attack 10,000.
No, okay. Look at her. Sarah, don't put that in your mouth. Okay? Mama says. Mama says. Mama says. You see her face when she doing naughty thing? Mama says. Exactly. Don't put it in your mouth. Oh, toys? Yes, it's toys, but don't put it in your mouth. Don't put it in your mouth, okay? Okay? Say okay. Very good. Give Mama a high five. You missed. Good girl. She's too cute.
Do me high five.
Uh-oh. Take your time.
Let's go to
That
the
hair
pool.
need to brush. No, we're not going to the pool today. You go later with Papa? Didn't Mama say don't put it in your mouth? Very good. Don't put it in there. No, not all. No, not yum. No, not yum. Don't put it in your mouth. Okay? No, no. Say okay. Say okay, Mama. Very good. No! You just said okay, Mama. Don't put it in your mouth. No, no, no. Don't laugh when she's doing what she's not supposed to do. She'll think it's funny and continue doing it. Very good. The joy of having them both at home. To see them bond more and more like this.
We'll ship every sheep and it's perfect end to our perfect. Good night, sleep tight. Who is this?
The joy of having my babies both at home at the same time. To see them like this all the time.
Sleeping and sleeping. Now who is this?
They're just too cute, I can't. Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! Hey you! Look at them, look at them. Aren't they happy to be home together? Stop the noise on my head, boy. Stop. Hey, no slapping. No slapping. Exactly. Mama says, right.
Mama, I will tell you all the place of the channel number 1 that I know. Okay, Mama?
Huh?
I will tell you all the stuff of channel that I know.
Okay. Guys, I have been on a roll with filming videos for my food channel, and I have to share this with you guys. If you guys want to see this, listen, it's absolutely delicious. And before I go ahead and tell you guys what it is, can you guys guess what it is? Maybe you know what it is, but the method that I use to cook it is what you might not know. If you want to try this delicious jerk chicken liver, then head over to my food channel and try it out. It's very easy. If it's not there by the time you get there when you see this vlog, then check back in a few days, it will be there. So this is jerk chicken liver that I have for my food channel. I will definitely be there. My food channel link is down below. Just scroll down on this page and you'll see my food channel. If you don't see it, just type in Mel's Kitchen Jamaica and you'll see it. And then I also did a quick and easy curry chicken breast on the go for people who not a fan of bone. So this one will also be on my food channel, and I'm gonna film another video soon because this little one loves porridge, and I know tomorrow morning he probably want porridge, and I know you guys love the porridges on my food channel, so I'm gonna film a plantain and oats porridge for my food channel. So I'm on a roll. I'm on a roll with creating content for today, so that's good. I feel so accomplished today. I love when I feel like this because I feel like I've gotten so much done. I don't have no bun for you to lick off of my head top tonight.
No bun?
No bun on top of my head.
You have a bun in the cupboard.
Yes, yeah. Yes, I do.
Cheese and bun.
Of course I do.
So why you say you have no bun?
Because I told you the thing on top of my head is called a bun. We have different shape of buns.
Oh, I didn't know.
So when I told you
there's only one bun.
No, there's actually more than one bun. When a man cheats on a woman or a woman cheats on a man, it's called bun too. You want that kind of bun? You probably love that kind of bun. I love the Jamaica bun. Which bun you love? That woman and man bun?
I love it.
I can give you that one if that's one you want. You want me to give you that bun?
You want me to give you that bun?
Nope, I tell you I like the Jamaica bun, so why you offer me another bun?
So what kind of bun is that? Is not Jamaica bun?
Nope. Jamaicans don't do that bun. We only do the Jamaica bun.
So that's what I said at first. There's only one bun.
There's only one bun for me. I don't know what kind of bun you like.
There's only one bun.
You like that bun? That one bun?
No. You know I don't like it. You like it?
I love it.
Oh. Hi guys! Good afternoon. Good evening. We are in the middle of the game and England just tied the game. 1-1. Let's go Denmark.
By the end of this, you guys would know.
Let's go Denmark.
He's bringing Denmark, and for some reason I'm bringing England. I don't know why, but I just want him to win.
Nah, you don't want to see this much message of
my cousin
are celebrating. Me.
He's been at work all day, you guys, so you guys didn't see him, so now
yeah, that was a long day today, and that will be a long day tomorrow.
And the day after that, and the day after
no,
that.
the day after that, that will be Friday. That will be preparation for my baby birthday. So that will be a short day at work. That's why it's a long day today and tomorrow, because I have to do in advance the job that I won't be able to do Friday.
He's giving me an excuse to come home late.
No,
that's what
it doesn't call it excuse. It's called an explanation. It's different. True that.
Okay.
I get her. Anyway guys, I hope you all had a good day. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. What you did today?
A lot. So much. If I'm to name all the things I did today.
Easy life, I tell you. She looked tired. Easy life. Where you went today? Nowhere.
To work.
Nowhere. You're shining. Oh, that's why you did all day. You put cream on top of your nose. Anyway, guys, outside is very pretty. We're gonna have a busy weekend. We have a lot of preparation for the princess birthday. 2 year. What is the if I have to tell you like 3 moments.
Well, all I know is that she's in terrible 2 stage right now. That is all I know. She's writing up my whole life with chalk.
3 moments that you have to remember.
Oh God. There's so many moments, it's hard to share just 3.
Okay.
She's just a light. Today my mom saw her, and everything she does, my mom say, Chrissy, that's you. They call me Crystal at home. Say, Chris, that's you, that's you, that's you. I tell mommy that when she starts school September, I'm gonna be sorry for them at school because she's gonna beat out all of them at school. Mommy say, well, that's you.
Sarah is you, tell us me.
Mommy says Sarah is me. So I'm saying to myself, Jesus, Sarah is me. That's how I used to be. Mommy said everything about Sarah reminds her of me.
Full of trouble.
From her here to her behavior.
You're a troublemaker.
Well, if she said that then,
you're
I guess.
a troublemaker.
And but pity people who know that you is a troublemaker now and wasn't a troublemaker when he was a kid. But you were kind of a troublemaker when you were a kid. You used to fight a lot. Well, you guys would believe that baby used to fight a lot.
What do you mean I used to fight a lot?
You used to fight. That's what you say. You used to fight.
Yeah, but not a lot. I mean,
Yeah.
the way you say a lot mean like every week. No. People are afraid of me, so.
Can you believe people used to be afraid of being at school? I don't believe that.
I was the best student, I was the best in sport, and yeah, I was with my friend that you saw last week. We were bullying the school. But we were in a little school, so.
You're untouchable?
That was good. That was a good moment. That was a good moment. If I can go back to this time, like 6, 7, 8 to 10 years old, that would be fun. That would be fun. So, yeah.
Anyway, you guys, this journey with Sarah, you guys are on it with us, and trust me, it's gonna be a challenging one, but lesson to learn.
We're gonna make it.
Lesson to
We're
learn.
gonna make it.
Oh yes.
Alright. Anyway,
Give this video a thumbs up,
Thumbs
comment
up.
down below. Subscribe if you're new to the Fam Bam. Catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow with the real prep of Sarah's birthday. That's the next vlog you're gonna see, which is gonna be Monday. Prep of Sarah's birthday, and then the following day is gonna be Sarah's birthday vlog. So are you ready? Mama girl, second birthday turn up.
I am.
I'm ready. I'm so excited. Anyway guys, tomorrow.